Could Nimbus be the most contagious COVID yet? A new COVID-19 variant called NB181 or Nimbus is spreading in the United States. It now causes more than 40% of reported cases and has been found in 45 states. People gave it the name Nimbus because it often causes a very painful sore throat. Health experts say it spreads more easily than older variants, but does not seem to make people more seriously ill. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, says most people with Nimbus have mild to moderate symptoms. These include fever, cough, and a strong sore throat. Another variant called XFG or Stratus has also appeared, but it is not spreading quickly and is not a major worry at this time. Doctors say testing is still important to understand how these variants change and move through the population. The CDC gives the same advice for staying safe. Vaccines and booster shots can help protect against serious illness. People should also wear masks in crowded indoor places, open windows for fresh air, and stay at home when they feel sick. These steps can slow the spread of COVID-19 and keep communities healthier.